Alright guys, got a little bit of noise behind us, but today I'm going to show you how you can start a fire with using just a pencil and a pair of jumper cables. So let's just say that I was broken down somewhere and I needed to start a fire, yet I don't have matches or a cigarette lighter or anything like that, but I do have a pencil, and even in the modern times, you know, the little portable jumpers that you keep in your car, or a pair of jumper cables. So let me go ahead and show you with this pencil. All right, got a lot of noise behind us, so hopefully you can hear me. But what you want to go ahead and do is remove that eraser from the end of your pencil. Now, what a lot of times you can do is actually use this pencil and use the shavings from it to start your fire. So get it and just shave back right here, just like this. So all you're going to have exposed is half this pencil. So that should be technically what it looks like. You know, you can make it maybe a little bit better, and if you need to use a little bit more wood, you could. Alright, so this is your pencil right here. And once you have all your kindling together and where you want to start your fire, what you're going to do is take your jumper cables. Now, on these jumper cables, you have your wire running to one side of this alligator clamp. Now, you want it to be where the positive wire goes. Now, given this is a negative, but you want the one with the wire coming from it to actually hit the graphite of your pencil. Bam. Now, you take your positive as well. And again, you see where this cable is running through that handle? You want that one to be on top. So, once you do that, boom. Woo! It didn't take long at all. And then, boom, you've got yourself a fire. Now, we can sit here and feed this fire. Boom, and there you go. Take you some more leaves and things. But as you can see, guys, all you need is a pencil and a pair of jumper cables, and you've got yourself a good fire. So no matter what, you can always find little tips and tricks to do to start a fire like this. In this case, all you need is a pencil, a broke down car, and a pair of jumper cables. So, guys, I hope that helped. Just a little tip in case you are stranded without a lighter and you need to make fire. And, guys, I will see y'all in the next one. And remove that eraser off the end of it. So, you've got this. Now, the next thing you're going to do is sharpen this pencil out. And almost... Here, let's do it like this, Ben. Let's do where we're going to start the fire.